Good morning, students. How are you all? And I hope you are all fine. And in my last class, what we have discussed? In our last class, we have discussed about the equation. Am I right? Equation and expressions. So these are the things so far we have discussed. Okay. Anyway, in today's class, we are going to see that some more problems in that exercise and based on that equation. Okay. So take your notebook and kindly please note it. Okay, students, today we are going to see that solution of an equation. Okay, so what is that solution of an equation? Solution of an equation. So this is today's topic. So anyway, I'm going to revise that. What are the concept previously we understood? So in the last class we have seen what is meant by the equation. Okay, so the equation, it consists of the equal symbol. So left hand side one term and right hand side one term. Okay, so this would be equal to this one. So this is kind of equation, okay, which is equal. So left hand side which should be equal to the right hand side. Okay, so these are the things so far we have seen. So anyway, so today we are going to see that how to solve an equation. Okay, how to solve an equation. How to solve an equation. Okay, see, for this you have to know, whenever if they gave any equation, you have to identify what is that constant, what is that variable. Okay, so the first step is you have to identify the constant and variable, and the second step is you have to find that variable. What's that variable? Keep number and all one side, variable and all one side. Okay, so then after you have to know that what is that value of that variable. For example, here I am going to solve a simple equation. See here, x plus 4 which should be equal to 6. So find the value of x. Here you have to know that what is that constant and what is that variable. Okay, see, first you have to know that this is equation or not, whether this one is equation or not. So equation means how to identify. First one, you have to look at that symbol. Okay, so this symbol is called equation. Okay, equal, it is equal. So in this equal symbol, in front they give one number and the back side they give one thing. Okay, so left hand side one expression they given, right hand side one expression they given. So in the left hand side you could see that the expression which contains variable and constant also. But in the right hand side, if you see that only constant only present. Okay, so okay, anyway, we'll come to the problem. X plus 4 which should be equal to 6. Okay, so equation is nothing but it's like a kind of balancing. Okay, it's kind of balancing. So first one, I will say that basic method how to identify the value of x. So first one, I will say that x plus 4 which should be equal to 6. So instead of x we are going to give a number. We are going to give a constant number starting from 1 onwards. 1 2 3 4 5. So instead of x we are going to replace among these numbers. Okay, so just replace 1 first and replace 2 first and replace 3 and replace 4, replace 5. Okay, so this kind of you have to replace instead of x. So after replacing it, whether you will get the equation is correct or not, whether the left hand side value and the right hand side value both should be equal or not, that you have to identify. Okay, anyway, so x plus 4 which should be equal to 6. Okay, so first one I will keep the value x equal to 1 for x equal to 1. So instead of you have to take x equal to 1. So 1 plus 4 which is equal to 6. Okay, so 1 plus 4 which is equal to 6. So 1 plus 4, what's the value? 5. So 5 equal to 6. Is this any meaning? 5 is equal to 6, whether it is equal or not. So how to identify equal? So the left hand side value should be same as right hand side value. Okay, so is this possible? 5 equal to 6? No way. That means 5 is not equal to 6. Okay, so next to one, instead of x equal to, you have to take 2. Okay, so instead of x you have to take the 2. So here I'll rub this one. So x equal to 2. For x equal to 2, so you have to replace 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Am I right? Instead of x, you have to replace the value of 2. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6, and here also 6. Now if you look at that, left hand side and the right hand side both also equal. That means this x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 only, this equation will satisfy. Okay, so for that value only, this equation will satisfy. Okay, so we have to identify the value of x, which is equal to 2. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this kind of solution we are going to find. Okay, so anyway, in your book they gave some examples. First we will solve that examples, then after we will come to the exercise. Okay, so in your book they gave x plus 20, which is equal to 70. Okay, x plus 20 equal to 70. Now I'm going to say that whether is a possible from starting from 1 2 3 4 onwards. Is it possible? Yes, is it possible, but it will take lot of time. Okay, because once if you start from the value onwards, 1 plus 2 3 21, and 22, and 20 plus 3 23, so this it will take lot of time. So instead of that, instead of substituting the values from 1 onwards, how sir we can identify whether any method, shortcut method is there or not, sir? Okay, so there is one shortcut method. See, one thing you have to know. So the given value x plus 20, which is equal to 70. Okay, so I already mentioned that keep the constant and all one side and that variable and all one side. First you have to identify whether this is the equation or not. So equation means here left hand side they gave one expression. Okay, and right hand side they gave one expression. Okay, so both are equal. Okay, and next one, this one, x plus 20. In this variable is there? Yes, the x is the variable, and 20, which means that constant value, and 70 also constant value. So keep constant value and all one side, keep variable and all one side. Okay, so you have to keep that x plus 20, which is equal to 70. Okay, 70. Okay, now see, this is plus 20, right? Am I right? So I'm going to keep the variable one side, number and all one side. So number 70. So this plus 20, when it will cross the equal symbol, otherwise when it will go from left hand side to right hand side, the sign convention will be changed. So how's the sign convention will be changed? See, look at here. Here plus means when it will go that side means it will come minus. Okay, so here minus means when it will go that side means it will come plus. So that means what is the meaning is, whenever there is any symbol plus means if you take that plus symbol to that another side, that means opposite to that equal symbol, okay, another side of that equal symbol, the sign convention will change. Plus means minus, minus means plus will come. Okay, so plus 20, it will go that side means minus 20. So 70 minus 20, x equal to 50. Now take this x value and directly you have to substitute. Instead of x you have to substitute. So instead of x I substitute 50. Okay, so 50 plus 20, 70. So here also 70. So 70 equal to 70. Okay, so 70 equal to 70. That means the x equal to 50. That value is correct. Okay, so we will solve some problems, then you will understand the better manner. Okay, so next to one, see here, n minus 4, which is equal to 100. Okay, n minus 4 equal to 100. So find the value of n. That means find the value of variable. Okay, so first, as I said, keep that number and all one side and variable and all one side. So here what is the number and what is the variable? First one, this is that number. So in front of that number one symbol is there. So make one circle by using pencil. and here one number. So number and all you have to keep one side, and variable and all you have to keep one side. So n equal to, so this minus 4 will go to that side, means what will happen? So it will come to plus 4. Okay, so that means 100 plus 4. So what is the value? N equal to 104. Okay, 104. So your n value should be 104. So if you take this value 104 and replace instead of n, okay, replace instead of n, what's the value? N value 104. So 104 minus 4, 100. So we will get, so that means left hand side 100 and right hand side 100. So both also equal. That means this n value 104 will satisfy this equation. Okay, so this is the form of finding the solution. Okay, so we will solve some more problem. See here, so 20b which is equal to 80. Sir, how sir we can identify if there is no plus symbol, though no minus symbol? How sir we can solve this kind of equation? First we have to know that 20 into b. So here this is number, 20 means number, b means variable. Okay, and 80 means it's a number, that means constant. Okay, so 20 is constant and 80 is constant, and b means variable. Okay, so 20b which is equal to 80. Okay, so first one you have to know that keep number and all one side, variable and all one side. So 20b which represent 20 into b. Okay, so 20b can be written as 20 into b. So 20 into b equal to 80. Okay, next one b equal to, so this is multiplication. So 20 multiplied with b. That means if we take this one, if we take this number to that side, means here it is in multiplication. If it is go that side, means it will come division. Okay, so multiplication, we will, if any number is multiplied with any other number, that number you are transferring to another side, means it will come to division. Okay, and here if it is division, means when you transfer this number or variable to another side, means it will come multiplication. So multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. Okay, so here it is multiplication, that means it will go that side, means it will come divide. So divide by 20. Okay, so that means 0 0 cancel, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so that means what is the b value? So b value should be 4. So if you substitute that b value here, if you substitute the value b here, so 20, so instead of value b value equal to I substituted 4, so 20 into 40, sorry 20 into 4, 80, and here also 80. That means left hand side, so your left hand side and your right hand side both are equal. Okay, that means that equation, that number will satisfy this equation. Okay, can you understand, students? Okay, okay, the next one is t by 5 which is equal to 4. Okay, so find the value of t. So what is the value of t? So you know that as you know that t is that variable, and 5 and 4 is that constant. Okay, so 5 and 4 is the constant, but what about t? T is that variable. Okay, so t is the variable, so we have to identify the value of t. So here how to do? So I'll say the simple step, t by 5 equal to 4. Now as I said previous, keep that variable in one side and keep the number and all one side. But what about here 5? 5 is in division, right? T divided by 5, right? So it's a denominator. So denominator means here t divided by 5. So here 5 is dividing by t. So if we take that number to that side, means it will come multiplication, because it is in division. So when you transferring this number to that another number, that means another side, this division will become multiplication. So okay, so that means what is that value? T equal to 4 this is a division, so when it will go, that means multiplication. So multiplication this number, so multiply by this number, so t equal to 4 into 5, 20. So this is that value of t. So if you check the answer is, instead of the t you have to put the value of 20. So 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. So 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. That means 4 equal to 4. Am I right? So that means this equation is correct for the value of t is equal to 20. Okay, understood? Okay, so is there any other yes, any other any other problem we are going to solve? Okay, next one, 2l plus 3 which is equal to 7. So how we have to identify it? First you have to know that keep number one side, variable one side. So first one we have to here do that step by step. Okay, so first 2l, so that means 2 into l, 2 multiplied with the l, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, so totally 3 term is present. So we have to identify the value of l. What is the value of l? So how to identify? First we have to transfer the number, then after we have to find the value of l. So 2l plus 3 which is equal to 7. So now if you look at this, this is the plus 3. Okay, so when you transferring this value to that side, means what will come? Plus 3 will come minus. Okay, so 2l which is equal to 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 means, what is the value of 7 minus 3? 4. So 2l equal to 4. So this one we found. Okay, so we deduced this equation into this equation, 2l equal to 4. So anyway, still the number is present, still the variable is present. Okay, so that means we have to take that variable one side, number one side. So as we found that equation